Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Quora in few seconds. So if you are using Android, just go to Play Store. But if you are using iOS, just go to App Store. And you can go to the search bar here and search for Quora. Now you can see in the second one here, Quora, just click on the install. So it might take some time to download this Quora, so it's downloaded. So in this way, you can just download Quora in few seconds and open it. So now you can log in with Google or Facebook, or log in if you have your account already. So in this way, you can just create your Quora account. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please comment down below and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.